this housing off and replace the water pump.
No matter what we did, it was never going to come off.
Oh yeah.
Alright, what just happened?
Well, the balancer was super fucking stupid tight, so we had to get a little crafty. That piece won't come off there. So we could get to the nut for the water pump. Thank God we had Monstermax's suspension stop bars. We had to use that and a 3-foot ratchet to get the balancer rope loose. Just to get to one bolt. And it's right there. Oh, that's nice.
Honestly, it could be like right about it.
I think I found a taco from our dyno day.
Oh god. Dude, that's disgusting. It doesn't even smell at this point.
There's no taco, but there is shit in here. From the dyno day.
Dude, that'll be so hard to clean.
We're gonna install the Bomba de Agua. Don't touch it. Let me go this way because it's got Indian. It's got Indian head on the flange.
Say I gotta touch the pump to install it.
Yeah, don't touch it.
Doo-doo head. Okay. And this.
Wait, don't you worry about that little guy.
I can't see.
I'm gonna help you. Is that better?
Can't you see? Oh, fuck. Why does everything have to be so complicated on this fucking turd?
Because that's just the way it goes.
Oh, God.
Did you get it on the stud?
Yeah, it's on the stud. I'm just trying to now.
You gotta get the gear lined up.
Yeah, that's the fun part.
You kind of.
You gotta bring this up.
Don't you worry about that, little
There
fucker.
you go.
Well, I guess I just gotta push.
Yeah, don't be a bitch. Okay, it's in. That's in.
Well, why can't I see the O-ring?
Because it sucks in the rest of the bolts.
Fair. Where's the bolts?
Whatever you did with them.
That one's tight. Hold on, let me not look retarded for a second here.
What the fuck is this?
You wanna get yours started down there? Or?
You gotta go in towards the truck. I can't get it started.
Oh, well then.
I can only hold it. I can
Okay.
hold the up pipe.
Can you hold the up pipe then? Alright. You got the up pipe?
Yep, I got it.
Alright.
I'm greasing the O-ring groove for the bypass tube on the water pump to hold the O-ring in so it doesn't slide out when we slide the tube in. Now I am installing the O-ring. Wow. Now I'm going to grease my rubber.
Do you normally grease your rubber?
I always use lubrication on your rubber. Normally I just spit on it though. I'm gonna grease her hole up here so I don't rip my rubber. I already greased my rubber on this side, so now we're going to insert it. Oh, we gotta grease our male end on this too. That way it slides in really nicely, right on the head of the taper there. Wipe our finger off so it's not all greasy.
Better wash your shoes.
Alright, we're gonna get it in our nice piece of rubber hose there at the same time as we insert it in the bottom of the thermostat housing. Maybe. No, it's down there somewhere.
This song's the shit.
Dude, I remember when the song came out.
The song's actually kind of old, isn't it?
Yeah. I wasn't allowed to listen to it when it came out. This is the upper thermostat housing here with the thermostat for the turbocharger. We are going to install this now.
At 3.
Oh, I need 4.
Right.
Oh, here it is.
We used.
This here is an air compressor for compressing air. You can tell that because that's how it is.
This,
You guys need some light on here.
we need some hair on it. That's what we need.
Alright.
Can I have a bolt? I can't have a bolt.
Can you tell us what you're installing, Garrett?
Accessory bracket with air compressor.
Compressor on
Thank you.
God. Garrett, the man of few words.
Pretty much. This bitch better not fall out. I'm gonna be mad if it does. Yep, and I need that key.
What do you want? I'm not your tool, bitch. I'm the cameraman.
Please.
What do you need?
Can I have an extension?
Oh my god. What size?
Like, a little bit bigger than your finger.
That's gonna be one small extension. If you guys don't narrate it, I can't direct the video at all.
You're not a fucking director.
Hopefully I'm not a director for Alec Baldwin.
It's like, keep it up, motherfucker. I'm gonna Alec Baldwin your ass. Good lord.
Pull it. Pull it real good, Daddy. It's worse the second time I looked at it. I thought it was bad the first time, but now it's definitely worse.
Oh boy. Same air compressor. How's this one's filter work?
I've never heard of her. We're gonna do some sketchy shit. It's the only way we can work on this.
I ain't going nowhere. Let's see.
down here, but they use a screw to put all these terminal ends together. And here's the other side.
What's that?
The turbo's still good. After all the abuse.
If you look at the floor down there, you can see that we have created Lake Monstermax because our camera boy turned into mechanic and tried to catch the coolant.